Hey guys, welcome back to the CJ Pony Parts YouTube channel. I'm Morgan and today we're installing the K&N Roto-Molded air intake kit. So the K&N kit comes with the washable and reusable air filters and it gives you 15 extra horsepower. Now let's get it on the car and see how it sounds. Now we're going to start the removal process and it's not too long of a job. First up, you'll remove your factory airbox cover. You'll loosen these hose clamps and pull them off. Next up, you'll be removing these lines. I'm kind of taking a small flathead screwdriver to pry this up and get it out. Next up, you'll want to do this one on the driver's side. You'll remove the map sensor harness. You'll also want to remove the harness from the tube, and then you'll repeat this step on the other side. Next up, you'll remove this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt from the air intake box. For the passenger side, you'll have to remove this box, and there's a little metal and plastic bracket that you put the screwdriver in between, and that allows you to pull it up. And then you kind of just tuck that out of the way. Now you should be able to fully remove the whole tube and filter. And then to get this box out, it kind of just pops out. Next up, you'll want to remove this metal tab. You can use a screwdriver to pry the bottom and then pull it out. Once you remove that stock component, you'll take it and attach it to the provided bracket. Then you'll attach the K&N logos to the air boxes. And now you'll remove the MAF sensor. Make sure you apply the gasket to the provided MAF adapter and then we'll screw it into the intake tube. Now you'll install this into the intake tube. Install your MAF sensor. And then use the bolts they provided. You'll repeat all these steps on the other side. You want to put your filter in first and then install the rubber adapter. Then you'll just tighten down the filter. Now you'll install the hump hoses onto the throttle body. So as the instructions say, you're supposed to put the tubes on after you get the box in the vehicle, but I found it easier for me to do the driver's side with putting the tube on first and then fitting the box into the vehicle. Once you have your passenger side airbox in, you'll install the provided bracket with the stock bolt right on here. Now we have to remove the factory hose so we can install the extended one. This is a longer hose than stock and you will reuse your stock connector. Now we're removing the factory crate case line and using the one they provided. Plug in our MAP sensors. One of the final steps is to make sure that all of your hose clamps are tight, and then you can start the vehicle. And while I'm doing this, why don't you head over to cjponyparts.com/giveaways and enter for one of our many giveaways. We have $1,000 gift cards, parts from our favorite vendors, or maybe some of the kits you even see us install. But I'll get back to this and I'll see you guys soon. And now let's hear how it sounds. And that is it for today's install. Let us know in the comments below what you like about this kit, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.